Hello kids, welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. Children, we have finished reading chapter 8, Days to Celebrate, in our previous class. Let's quickly revise the chapter by reading Things to Remember. So the first one says, we celebrate functions like birthdays, weddings and anniversaries, which means that we celebrate few events related to our life. The next one says, we also celebrate religious and national festivals. Kids, it means apart from the events related to our life, we also celebrate festivals, and the festivals are of two types, which are religious and national festivals. So kids, do you remember the names of national festivals which we have learnt in this chapter? Yes, well done. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals. Can you name few religious festivals now? Amazing kiddos! Dussehra, Diwali, Eid ul-Fitr, Gurpurab and Christmas are the religious festivals. Children, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Teej, Holi, Pongal and Durga Puja are some other festivals. Kids, let's now discuss fill in the blanks which are given at page 54 of your book. It says, fill in the blanks, choose the correct festival from the box. Kids, here few festivals are given to you in the box. You have to read the sentences which are given below and complete those sentences by choosing the correct festival from the given box. So let's start discussing. A part says, Dash is the festival of love between a brother and a sister. Kids, this festival had just arrived in the beginning of this month. Can you name the festival? Very good. Raksha Bandhan is the festival. So, Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love between a brother and a sister. B part is, children play with colors on Dash. Kids, I am sure that you love playing with colors, isn't it? Yes. So, this one is very easy for you to guess. So, what it can be? Yes, well done. It is Holi. So, it says children play with colors on Holi. C part is Dash is a national festival celebrated in the month of January. Kids, there are two major festivals which come in the month of January. One is national festival and the other one falls in the category of other festivals. So, can you tell which national festival comes in the month of January? Very good, kids. Republic Day comes in the month of January. So, it becomes Republic Day is a national festival celebrated in the month of January. D part is Dash festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Kids, when we learnt about this festival, I have told you an amazing fact about this festival. Do you know what? Kids, along with this festival, there are few more festivals which are celebrated on the same day in different parts of India. Now, can you recall the festival? Very good. It is Pongal. So, Pongal festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. And can you please name those festivals which are celebrated along with this? Alright, so the festivals which we studied about are Lohri, Makar Sankranti and Bihu. E-part is every year 15th August is celebrated as dash. Children, this is very easy. We have just celebrated this festival. Well done! It is Independence Day. So, every year 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. And what type of festival is it? Very smart. It is National Festival. Kids, let's now discuss match the columns. You are given with two columns wherein the first column contains the names of few festivals and the second column contains few things or names of few persons which are related to these festivals. Now, we have to match the festival correctly with the thing or the name. Alright, so let's start. So, A part is Holi. Kids, we have learned that Holi is the festival of colors. And we have something related to it in the second column. What is it? Yes, colors and balloons. It is given in second column. So let's quickly match Holi with colors and balloons. The next one is Eid ul Fitr. Kids, do we have a midnight mass on Eid ul Fitr? No? Alright, then what do we do on Eid ul Fitr? Yes, people go for namaz and eat sevaiya. Very good. So let's match it. The next one is Christmas. Kids, is it related to Lord Krishna or Mahatma Gandhi? No one. Okay, can you tell with whom is it related to? Very good, you are very smart. It is related to Jesus Christ. And on this festival, people go to church and attend midnight mass. And this is given in the second column. So let's match it. The next one is Gandhi Jayanti. Kids, is it a national festival or a religious festival? You are very smart. It's National Festival and it celebrates the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi's name is given in second column. So let's match it with Gandhi Jayanti. So the last festival given to you in first column is Janmashtami. Kids, do you remember why do we celebrate Janmashtami? Very good. We celebrate Janmashtami to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. Well done, kids. And Lord Krishna's name is given in second column. So let's match Janmashtami with Lord Krishna. Children, now quickly open page number 54 in your EVS book and grab a pencil to complete these two exercises.